Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2021 Harley Davidson Sport Glide, and this is in white pearl. This front fairing is removable. It has a quick release system in there. And then you're left with just that single headlight. Almost makes it look like a completely different bike. Got those really cool rims. This is all on the 107 engine. And this beautiful chrome exhaust is a Reinhardt. We've got the locking saddlebags, which are really nice. Super clean bike, really well taken care of. Come check it out for yourself. Really low miles. We're open for test rides 6 days a week.